Hi folks, it's John from lastchanceautorestore.com. I'd like to introduce you to an upcoming project. This is a 1971 Ford Maverick. This car has been in the family. Our clients had it since high school. It's gone through a few transitions. You can see where it's got some aftermarket, the old style ET wheels. I think that's a version of a Starsky and Hutch kind of stripe, and homemade scoop or a fiberglass scoop on the front, a little bit of Bondo and stuff. But the neat thing is this originally started its life as a Grabber edition, so pretty rare. This is a 71 Ford Maverick. The Grabber edition gave you the scoops in the hood. I think you see through the windshield it's like a lime green, or Grabber green was the original color, and then obviously painted gray later on in its life. You can see the custom interior. They pulled a lot of stuff out. We got the custom front seat from school. So it's ready. It's a great bones project, and we're going to do a really interesting Resto Mod. So basically, starts life as a Grabber edition. We'll just lift up the hood here, and you can see it's had some massaging done over the years. You can see all the dust and mouse nests and stuff. So what we're going to end up doing is our first step is we're going to the engine seize. So we're not going to be using this engine nor much of the suspension. So we're going to basically get ready to remove the hood, and we're going to remove all these components, and we'll do little videos, little snippets to share with you this build. So this is going to be a Resto Mod. We've purchased, as a teaser, we've purchased a Mustang GT as a donor car. So it's a Coyote 5-liter with a 6-speed manual. So that's basically the heart transplant that's going to happen with this Maverick. So we'll share with you steps along the way. The owner of this car lives far away, so we're just basically going to do these little videos to show the progress. So this is step one, just introducing you to the 71 Ford Maverick, and as this progress continues, we'll share with you videos along the way. Thank you for watching. I'm John from lastchanceautorestore.com.